Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crew. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a homemade DIY coffee face scrub to clear up your acne and brighten your face and tone down redness in your face. So as you can see right now, my face just looks absolutely hideous. I have a pimple right on the top of my nose. Yes, Zach has said that I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. How nice of him. So, let's hop in and do this together.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, so for this face scrub, it's super easy. It's 3 ingredients. So I have this little container. One side has coffee, one side has cinnamon, and then I have a big old jar of coconut oil. So basically, I wanted to make a lot that will last me a while. So I have this whole side. I would say this is about a cup of coffee, and I just use Folgers. You can get a way better result though if you do use freshly ground coffee beans, but in a pinch, Folgers will work. And then you're just gonna take, let's see, about a little scoop like that of some cinnamon, and then another half a scoop of some cinnamon. Mix that real good in with each other. Smells like I'm about to get ready to make a latte. Okay, that looks really good and mixed up. And I think I might add just one more scoop of cinnamon in there because I did add a lot of coffee this time. So, about 3 teaspoons of cinnamon to 1 cup of coffee. It smells so good. And then I'm going to take my coconut oil and I'm going to get a big old hunk, hopefully. See, you're not going to melt it either. So we are going to just push it all into each other. So here's one old big old lump. And we're definitely going to need a lot more than that. And put that in there. And then we're going to use some more. Another big old lump. And I think one more. Big old lump. And then you're just going to sit there and smash the coffee into it, break it up, and mix it in together. So I'm going to step away and do that, and then we'll get back to putting it on my face. Okay, and now that we got that all mixed up together, it's going to be about the same consistency as cookie dough. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little lump of that into your hand. See? And yes, everything in this is edible. And then you're going to spread that out on the palm of your hand, and you're going to put just a little bit of water in there. A little bit of warm water. Kind of melts the coconut a little bit so you can spread it easier. And if you're like me, I normally break out around that lady time, if you know what I mean. So this is perfect to just do right around that time, but you can use it like every other night. I like to do it before I hop in the shower, so take just a little bit of water. Now it's going to turn kind of like a little mud patty in your hand. I'm going to take little bits of that and rub it on in circular motions. I definitely recommend to either do this in the shower or standing over top of a sink, because you will make a mess. Oh, this smells so amazing. Yes, looking like Rudolph. And if your coffee is not milled really finely, I don't recommend you pushing hard when you're doing your circular motions. You don't want to rip up your face, just enough to get that dead skin cells to flake off, enough to get the actual stuff into your skin. So much fun. My biggest part of my face is on my chin. So I've put a little bit more up there, down my nose, on the side of my nose, where my blackheads are. And then you leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it work its magic, and then you can wash it off. I like to follow up with a micellar water, some toner, and then some moisturizer. And ideally, you would want to use a moisturizer that you can leave on overnight. And then your skin will look brand new. Especially after using it quite a few times, you'll definitely see a difference in the brightness of your skin. Will even out the tones of your skin, any redness you may have. See, already my hands, after using it and scrubbing my face, already feel really soft. Alrighty, I'm gonna let this sit, and then I will show you guys the results when I come back. Alright, see you guys soon. Okay, and now we're fresh out of the shower. Face is all done and scrubbed up. Look at that glow. I have not put anything on my face since I got out of the shower. Scout's honor. Is that how you do it? Scout's honor? I don't know. I did not put anything on my face since I've gotten out of the shower, except for a toner. I put a toner on. But it's never made my face this shiny before. So hopefully it will take care of these guys really soon, because I cannot handle it anymore. So now that we're fresh out of the shower, the coconut oil does add some moisture to your face, but I do recommend doing this treatment at night. I recommend doing it in the shower, because I tell you what, there was a lot of coffee in my shower when I got done. But I am going to put a sleeping mask on. This is a glowing radiance and softening mask. It's by Glow Recipe. It's the watermelon glow sleeping mask. And it's my favorite, and it smells delicious, and it's made with real watermelon, but I don't recommend you eating it. I found that out the hard way. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit on my finger, smear that around, get it on there. Make sure just to lock in all that moisture. Make sure that it stays on there, works overnight, and makes your face look so beautiful. You don't have to wear a sleeping mask. You can just put on a regular moisturizer. That would also work. I just prefer a sleeping mask for my own personal preference. So look how glowing I am. And that has nothing to do with the actual sleeping mask itself. I know it's for glowing radiance, but it just makes your own personal skin get that glowing radiance, but not this shiny. But anyways, that is my DIY coffee face scrub for acne prone skin. And even if your skin isn't acne prone, get ahead of the game, because my skin normally isn't. But the more makeup I use, the more acne I get. So that's all I have for you guys. If you want to see any more videos like this, I also have a routine on how I've grown my hair out. My hair is almost to my booty. So if you'd like to know how to keep your hair long, natural, healthy, comment down below and we'll discuss making a video like that. And like always, if you could leave a thumbs up on this video, it helps me out. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!